Now, the installation video and teardown of the IS-60 and the GIMP KB23 case fan kit and the CPU cooler. We'll be going in my grandson build. I'm going to be removing the stock cooler that I put in here. Great cooler. The Xiaomi 8900. Great. But I'm going to take that 8900 out and put in my entertainment rig in the room. And this video will be coming soon, so y'all look out for the installation video of the KB23 and the IS-60 CPU air cooler. Y'all stand by for it. Peace.